This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to bring you an update here, but before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a trading account and you are new to the stock market, Moomoo does have a pretty good promotion going on right now. So if you go to the link in the comments and description section of this video, sign up for Moomoo and make a deposit. They do have this promotion going on where you can receive up to 15 free stocks plus one extra share of Tesla or Google. So if that's something that you're interested in, head to that link, check it out, head over to Moomoo and sign up and, get some free stock. Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker PLTR or Palantir Tech. So ticking up here quite a bit in pre-market. They have had a nice rip lately. Going back 2 weeks, they were down below the $14 mark, and you can see them up above 18 now in pre-market. So really big move here, about a $4 move. And they're looking like they're going to have another rip today. I mean, Friday's candle was pretty big. Yesterday's candle was massive. And it looks like they might make another big move higher today. Definitely heading for a gap up here, as you can see them up at about 18.11 here. So we might have like a 50-cent gap or so if this thing doesn't dump in the next 15 minutes or so. So what is behind this massive move here today in pre-market? They got another contract. So Palantir won a U.S. Army contract worth up to $250 million. And this is through 2026 to support artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities for COCOMs, armed services, the intelligence community, and special forces. Palantir has partnered with the Army since 2018. Tuesday's announcement expands on the partnership with a focus on furthering joint all-domain command and control, which is JADC2 efforts across the aforementioned forces. We're honored to expand our partnership with the Army to continue delivering the most innovative technologies and advanced data applications across the armed services, said Akash Jain, president of Palantir. So yeah, they just continue to pick up contracts and they continue to increase revenues and increase profits. So I've made videos on Palantir in the past, and I've talked about their swing into the positive on earnings here. And if you look at the last 12 months here, they have really turned things around. Coming from a company that loses money to a company that is consistently in the profit now on earnings. So future is looking bright for Palantir. Again, they just continue to pick up these contracts, and I know there is some concern over how much they do rely on government contracts or military contracts, but they keep picking up these contracts. I know some people kind of use that as a reason to be bearish on Palantir, but they keep landing these contracts and it's making a big difference in their financial statements. So looking for another strong quarter here for Palantir, no doubt. Looking here on the chart, this is going to put them above a key level here on the daily. You can see right here, going back to mid to late July, they rallied up to this 18 mark and rejected it pretty nicely. Finally broke through it, but then had a big sell-off. So kind of looking where they're at right now, I think if they can get a close above this level, let's kind of zoom in a little bit here. If they can get a close above this level right here around 18.15 or so, which I think they have a pretty good chance of doing. They're right at that level right now in pre-market. I'm looking for this high to get tested up here at about 2024. So that's kind of what I'm looking for to the upside there. And then to the downside, if they do sell off, I'm kind of looking around this 16.13, 16.20 mark, somewhere there. If they do start to sell off, if we get a close below that, I could see them coming down and testing this area here of about 15 or so. It's like maybe 1476, 1480, somewhere in there. So there's kind of technical levels I'm looking at to the upside and the downside, but with landing this new contract, I would not be surprised if this high here of 2024 gets tested soon. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker PLTR or Palantir Tech. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.